This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make toffee easy. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A good quality, heavy-bottomed saucepan is essential for preventing burning. Also, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This will make removing your delicious toffee much simpler later on. Combine the butter, sugar, and salt in your saucepan. Melt them together over medium heat, stirring continuously until the sugar dissolves and the mixture begins to boil. Attach a candy thermometer to the side of the pan, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom. Continue cooking, stirring often, until the mixture reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 149 degrees Celsius. This precise temperature is key for perfect toffee. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be careful as it will bubble vigorously. Without delay, pour the hot toffee onto your prepared baking sheet. Use an offset spatula or the back of a spoon to spread it evenly to about 1/4 inch thickness. Work quickly as it sets fast. Let the toffee cool undisturbed for at least 2 hours or until it's completely firm. Once cooled, you can easily break it into delicious, irregular pieces using your hands or a small hammer. This makes for a rustic and appealing presentation. Store your finished toffee in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. It's perfect for gifting or a sweet treat. Also, remember to check the description below for the Darn Tough Socks link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.